register correctly. Losing out on your top speed's the worst part of that. This thing's fast. Yeah, it's way more fucking stable. Why do I hear? Whoa. Gave myself a little too much juice. Oh, it's just the rub. Yeah, it's just the cement.